Welcome back to our channel. Most people fear being alone. They think it means something's missing, like something went wrong, like they are not enough. But what if I told you being alone is not your weakness? What if it's actually your transformation phase? Because some of the strongest minds in the world were not shaped in crowds, they were built in silence. Today, let's uncover 8 hidden benefits of being alone that most people never realize until it changes their life forever. 1. You finally hear your own thoughts. When the world gets quiet, your mind gets loud, and for the first time, you hear what you actually think, not what others told you to think. No distractions, no noise, just clarity. And clarity changes everything. 2. You stop pretending to fit in. In solitude, there's no pressure to perform, no need to act funny, no need to impress anyone, no need to fake confidence. You slowly start dropping masks you didn't even know you were wearing, and that's where real identity begins. 3. You become emotionally stronger. At first, loneliness feels heavy, but over time, it builds resilience. You stop depending on people for emotional survival, and slowly you learn something powerful. I can handle myself. That's emotional independence.
4. You unlock deep self-awareness. When you're alone, you start noticing patterns, what triggers you, what motivates you, what breaks you. And this awareness is dangerous in a good way, because once you understand yourself, nobody can control you easily again. 5. You get more creative than ever. History proves it. Some of the greatest ideas were born in isolation, because silence is where imagination speaks. No interruptions, no judgment, just pure creation. Being alone doesn't reduce your creativity, it amplifies it. 6. You start building real discipline. When no one is watching, that's the real test. Do you still work? Do you still grow? Do you still show up? Being alone teaches you discipline that doesn't depend on motivation or applause, just consistency. 7. You stop chasing validation. When you're surrounded by people, it's easy to live for approval, likes, comments, opinions. But in solitude, all of that fades away, and you begin to ask a better question. Do I respect who I'm becoming? That's where real confidence is born. 8. You rebuild your life from zero on your terms. Being alone is not an ending, it's a reset. No expectations, no pressure, no outside influence. Just you rebuilding yourself from the ground up. And when you rebuild alone, you build something unshakable. So if you're alone right now, don't rush to escape it. Don't panic. Don't fill the silence too quickly, because this might not be your lowest point. It might be your rebuilding phase. And one day, you'll look back and realize the time you spent alone was the time you finally met yourself.